fine. How about you? What did you do here? You play with who? With Jenna. Jenna, your best friend? Yeah. Flower. And can I tell you what kind of flower? See. Yeah.
Yeah, good job, Tisha.
Cactus on the soil. After that, animals. Chicken. This is chicken. So chicken, okay, right? Where's the pig? What animal? Animal. What is the next one? Cow. It's a cow. So cow. From meat, they can be cheese. That's right. Can you find a sound over there? What do you do before make a sandwich? Wash your hand, please. Wash your hand. Before make a sandwich, so what do you need? Just take 2 breaths. There's only 2 and then you move this bread to your table. And after bread, what do you need? Lettuce. Put here. Lettuce. Cheese. Okay, can you move all the table to your table again? That's right. And the tonsils. Good job. Cheese, okay. I will have this first. Egg. Can you move the egg? Now, can you take the box? Okay.